Alright, so I have a tenant that has a leaky faucet. I've already turned the water off, but it was leaking from around here. It's the towel that they had wrapped around it. In most cases, this is more than likely to be the little cartridge, which I have the new ones here in the box. And we are going to change that out today. This is the little cartridge that's causing all the issues. I got the brand new one. So we're going to work on taking this apart. First thing you need to do is, usually there's this little cap. It's right inside of that hole right there. And behind it is an Allen screw. So you need to get your Allen wrenches out. And I don't know, I think it's like an 1/8 or something like that. I'm not sure. But loosen that on up and take your handle off. Second thing you'll need to do, which you should be using some kind of protection, but I'm not. But we loosen up the little ring that holds the cartridge in. Now that that's off, we can pull the old one out. See all that water holding up in there? They're just worn down. And now the cartridges have two little tabs in there. And if you look down in the hole, which I don't know if you can see or not, but they are dummy proofed. So you stick it in there, you get a little click. Okay. Put your ring back on. Tighten her down pretty good. Nice and snug. Put your handle back on. And then tighten down your little Allen screw. Let's see. Come on. There we go. Don't want to over tighten it, but you want to make it short, snug. And take that little little metal piece, put it back in. And that's all done. Reach back under the sink, turn the water on. After your water's back on, try the prop. Got a little dust up in there. No more leaking around the edges. And we are done. See, take less than 5 minutes to do this.